This is, insert name, bringing you a closer look at the controversy surrounding Alzheimer's and how a drug called Leqembi might hold some hope. /n Alzheimer's disease is a neurodegenerative illness that impairs one's ability to think and perform daily activities. There's no cure for this growing concern that affects 6.7 million Americans aged 65 and older, and the number is only expected to rise to 13 million by 2050. /n Japanese drugmaker Eisai announced new research findings with partner Biogen that even after people stop taking Leqembi, the monoclonal antibody drug they developed, they retain the biomedical impact of being treated by it. /n that new analysis compared Leqembi-treated members against a placebo group in a phase 2 clinical trial, with follow-up research through the extension trial. While off of Leqembi, without taking it for an average of 2 years, the Alzheimer's continued to progress at a slower rate in those that had taken it before. /n the drug makers are now awaiting a Food and Drug Administration decision for a full approval of Leqembi on July 6. /n this is coming on the heels of their last controversial drug Aduhelm's rollout, which was a controversial failure among other failed drugs to fight the disease. /n it's no secret that researching, developing and bringing treatments to market for Alzheimer's can cost a lot and require extensive development. Furthermore, scientists debate over the true cause of the disease and which drugs should target it. /n but this analysis offered some hope that this drug could hold potential, as Alzheimer's patients who took Leqembi moved past the 18-month clinical trial and had to take a gap period without the drug, their amyloid plaque was reduced and there was a decline in their cognitive decline compared to those who did not take the drug. /n in addition, when the treatment resumed in the extension trial, there was an even greater slowing of cognitive decline in those who had taken the drug again. The protein only reaccumulated slightly after patients stopped taking the drug, averaging to an increase of about 6 levels. /n the warning here is that plaque buildup is not the sole factor in determining the progression of Alzheimer's. Dr. Lynn Kramer, Eisai's Chief Clinical Officer of Alzheimer's Disease and Brain Health, notes that blood tests in the analysis showed that even after Leqembi ceased in the gap period, other biomarkers of Alzheimer's still worsened. /n while the analysis suggests that Leqembi and other Alzheimer's drugs may slow the progress of the disease, there is no doubt a lot more work to be done in finding a way to overcome Alzheimer's and its devastating effects. /n will have to wait until July 6 to see the FDA's decision on the full approval of Leqembi, but the signs in this analysis point to a cautiously optimistic outlook for those affected by this disease. /n tune in for more on this ongoing story. Until then, thank you for watching.